Here's how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you are logged into your Chrome browser, then here you have to simply search for the amazon.com and then click on the first link and sign into your Amazon Associates account. After that, click on the three dots and enable the desktop version. After that, you have to select the product or products that you want to generate links for. Once you have selected the product, now here you have to click on the text option at the top. You will see this option in the side stripe. You have to click on the text option, and once the link has been generated, now you have to click on it to copy it. Once you have successfully copied the generated link, now what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook app and then you have to simply log into your Facebook page. Once you are signed into your Facebook page, now go to the profile and here you have to click on the about option. After that, here you have to click on the edit public details, and now you have to scroll down and go to the bio option and you have to click on the edit and then click on the edit bio option. Here you have to simply paste your link and you have to simply describe about yourself. After pasting your link, you have to simply click on the save to save changes. You can simply copy the links of the products and then you can paste these links into your post. Whenever you make a post on your Facebook page, you can simply copy the link and add into your post and you can promote it. So this is how to add Amazon affiliate links to Facebook page.